Hey, Sabrina!
Hey,
How come you doing here?
no lah, I just walking and looking around only.
Looking, then you end out here.
Yeah lor, look quite nice ma.
Hey, same as me I'm here to look for codes from 3D Innovation. And I heard a lot of free gift And the price not bad That's why I'm here. Hey, how you find 3D
I just tell you already, I come here see and look only lah. My grad is here already, I talk first ah. Okay,
Hey, I don't know she kanchiong for what. Still early Okay lah, since I have time, I take a look around lor, while I wait for my interior designer. Nice Wait a minute. How come this place like very familiar like that Where have I seen this place before? Inside my dream? No leh. Where Oh. Hey, how come same one How long have you been doing this?
Huh? No lah, just same furniture.
Don't lie to me. You see the furniture exactly the same all. The colors all the same one. Why are you doing this?
Okay lah, you win lah. I cannot afford to get interior designer, okay? Interior designers are so expensive nowadays. So I use 3D Innovations lor.
Aiyo, where got such thing one? Just use Renopedia.sg lah. They will give you 5 to 8 interior designers that is within your budget one. Don't do this leh. You are lucky I'm the one who spot and not your friends.
Okay lah. I will try Renopedia.sg out, okay? Just don't tell anyone about this. I'm gonna delete the photos.
Yes, please do. Anyway, better go and send your detail to Renopedia.sg. They are having a 80k cashback lucky draw. Who knows you can be the lucky one to win.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.